All set now, ready to race. Race number 10, Andox Lechon Corporation, Marho Daisy Sete Trophy Race. Anytime now, race number 10. And the race is on. Rushing up from the outside, Deputy Just. Moving up is Tabaco. On the outside is Karma. Final Impact. Moving up to grab the lead. It's now Final Impact, followed by Deputy Just in second. Karma racing on the outside, third by Darrell Tabaco. Paris Melody racing on the outside, Magic Machine. And moving up is Be Nice. It's still entry number 1, Final Impact. By about 2 lengths, Deputy Just. And moving up by the list, Be Nice Tabaco. Rounding the far turn, Final Impact. Be Nice racing on the outside, Tabaco. Paris Melody racing on the outside to grab the lead. It's now Paris Melody, this time by about 3 lengths. Be Nice, Final Impact, Tabaco. Karma as they swing for home. It's still Paris Melody by about 3 lengths, followed by Final Impact in second. Karma racing on the outside, Deputy Just in the middle. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Paris Melody in full throttle this time. And nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, Paris Melody second. Lake in Manila, Tabaco close with Deputy Just, work of art, Karma.